Hey everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews, and what's Klaken? No pun intended. This here is Klaken knives. This is a faucet knife from Klaken Knives. I love their little octopus logo right there. This pocket knife is really well made. I mean, the feel of it, the look. I don't know if you can see that. I love this material. It's one of my favorite pocket knives. Again, you do have a nice clip here to clip it on, but they also include this belt buckle holster here too as well, which is Velcro. And you can go ahead and loop that through with your belt and carry it that way. Or you can just carry the pocket knife, which I usually tend to do, just in my pocket as so with the clip. A really nice action of the blade there, nice snap, a very sharp blade. I've been using it to cut boxes and, get rid of some of the boxes and packages that I received. And it does a great job cutting through tape like butter. So super sharp, a very nice aesthetic knife. This is about 3 inches here, the blade, and the overall is probably like 6 inches to almost 7 inches. Very nice material, very sturdy, very strong knife. Highly recommend Klaken knife. So if you're looking for a nice sturdy pocket knife, great, feels great in the hand, check out Klaken. Huge shout out to them for gifting me this. I could do this review. Check them out.